Welcome to Natural Beauty and Health Tips. Homemade cough syrup. There are two easy recipes for homemade cough syrup prepared from ginger, honey, lemon, and glycerin. Ginger acts as a natural decondensant and also relieves a sore throat. Anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. It can help prevent and relieve coughing. Honey is another time honored remedy to help calm a cough by soothing the throat. It has antioxidant and antimicrobial properties that help fight upper respiratory tract infections. Lemon juice is also beneficial for suppressing coughs and combating colds. It acts as a powerful antioxidant and boosts the immune system. Plus, lemons have antiviral and antibacterial properties to fight infections. Glycerin helps soothe coughing and a sore throat. It also works as a natural preservative. Recipe 1. Homemade cough syrup with ginger, honey and lemon. Peel a piece of ginger root and cut it into slices. Just 2 fresh lemons using a grater and zester. Pour 1 cup of water into a saucepan. Add half cup of the ginger slices. Add 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. Bring the solution to a boil for 5 minutes. Strain the solution and set it aside. Pour 1 cup of raw honey into a saucepan and heat it over low heat, but do not let it boil. Mix in the previously strained ginger solution. Add the juice extracted from both the lemons. Keep stirring the mixture over low heat for 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and pour the solution into a jar. Your homemade cough syrup is ready now. Dosage: half to 1 teaspoon every 2 hours for children ages 1 to 5 years. 1 to 2 teaspoons every 2 hours for children ages 5 to 12 years. 1 to 2 tablespoons every 4 hours for adults and children older than 12 years. Recipe 2. Homemade cough syrup with glycerin, honey and lemon. Put 1 by 4 cup of glycerin into a bowl. Add 1 by 4 cup of honey. Add 1 by 4 cup of lemon juice. Whisk the mixture thoroughly. Transfer it into a jar. Take 1 teaspoon of this cough syrup every few hours. It smells and tastes wonderful. By the way, note, these cough syrups are not recommended for children under age 1 because the honey may cause a rare but possibly fatal type of food poisoning. Tips: store these homemade cough syrups in the refrigerator. They will last for a couple of months. Use buckwheat honey, which has been found to be helpful in easing nighttime coughing in children ages 2 and older. You can also add a little ginger juice to the second cough syrup recipe. Consider adding other ingredients like onion, garlic, and pepper to your cough syrup recipe. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching our video.